Karnataka's Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa tested positive for the novel coronavirus on Sunday night. Now, we understand that, in fact, he tweeted about the same, and he's currently admitted at the Manipal hospital over here in Bengaluru itself, wherein he's undergoing treatment. Now, we also, in fact, understand that he has actually requested and urged all the people who came in contact with him over the past 2-3 days to actually isolate themselves and ensure that, they also get tested. Now, it's not only him, but we also, in fact, understand that his daughter too has tested positive, and she's also currently undergoing treatment at the same hospital. Now, while, of course, there have been several people actually inquiring about his health on social media, there are many others who've, in fact, also been visiting the hospital. Of course, not really visiting his ward, but coming down to inquire about his health. Understandably so, following which there's heavy deployment of security and of police personnel in and around the entire hospital. You can see how the security has been beefed up. And, in fact, we also now actually understand that just a little while earlier as well, you had, visitors who had actually come to wish him the best and, to actually wish him good luck. But we also now understand that, as per the health bulletin that was actually put out by the Manipal hospital, that, they have actually gone on to state that he was, in fact, doing okay, and that he didn't really have any, that he's stable is actually what they have gone on to say. To quickly actually give you an understand, he's been admitted only for observation and he's clinically stable is what they've said, but he's also being monitored over here by the team. Now, it's also imperative for us to understand that this is very crucial for all those people who have come in contact with him over the past 2 to 3 days, that they are being identified by the Health Department of Karnataka, that all of these people, will in fact further be tested as well for the virus, and that apart also that all the people whom, he visited over the past 1 week or events that he attended over the past 1 week, all of these people will, of course, a list will be made of them as primary and secondary contacts, and they will also, then be further tested. One important, event, of course, was the 1-year celebration of the Karnataka government with the Chief Minister, with Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa being the Chief Minister. So that was an event, that witnessed a lot of people. Now, another event, in fact, was actually the foundation stone laying ceremony in Electronic City as well, of the huge Biosciences Park in Bengaluru. So these are two events, wherein, of course, we're seeing a large crowd that had actually gathered, and several people, of course, who had actually attended this along with the Chief Minister of Karnataka. So, yes, while, he has also urged everybody to isolate themselves, we're also, of course, making an appeal to all of those people who have come in contact with him to, stay in isolation and get tested if need be.